here's a way of doing this performance where it's far less scary, I guess, from a card handling point of view. Okay, so what you do is it begins the same. Spectator mixes the cards as much as they want, and then you're going to find the companion. Oh wow, companion card to that one's right there. Now I need a red 7. Okay, so I have those right now. Set that down. Put these aside and say, okay, these are our prediction cards for later. Okay. Now what you can do, and it's something we haven't done in any of these See Into the Future, is you simply just perform a Klondike Shuffle and do that until the spectator says stop. So, I mean, it's a wonderful, wonderful routine here. So remember, the Klondike Shuffle is where you take the bottom and top card off as one, right? Those are our special cards. Those are the ones we're going to reveal. Isn't that nice? So you do top and bottom as one, and then, you know, you deal quite a few of these because you want quite a few. And then you say, well, tell me when to stop. You know, we can stop. You know, you don't need to be counting anything, which is great. Maybe they say stop there. That's great. So just recall the situation we're in. We have some unknown number of cards. We do know it's even because of the pairs, and then the special cards are at the bottom. Okay. Well, if you've watched some of my other See Into the Future, you know, we're kind of at a situation where we have finished from this point in a number of ways. Okay. So one way, of course, would just be to just deal left, right, because those bottom two cards are going to be the last two dealt, right? So from here, it's very similar to other ones that we talk about under this heading of See Into the Future, okay? And if you recall, what we did there was we said, well, we have these prediction cards. I wonder if I really did see the future. Did I see something about what the outcome of this would be? And note here, contrast it with some of the other videos. We had a 50-50 chance, unless you were like really keeping track of things, of this matching that, or this matching, you know, or this being paired with that, okay? Well, this time we, you know, nailed it, which is wonderful, you know. So now we're going to get a perfect alignment here. It's like, yes, you know, we got it. And spectator's going to go, okay, how in the world did you just do that? But if for whatever reason we had those switched, oh, okay, sorry, I'll just back up. Okay, so we're here now. We don't know the order here. So we show this one, and we go, oh man, that's a fail. Do you see any connection between the 7 of diamonds and the Jack of clubs? I don't. Oh, what the heck? Something's gone wrong, I guess. Oh, whoa, what's going on here? These are companion cards. Wait a second. There's no way. There is no way that is the Jack of spades. No way. There's no... I can't believe it. How did you just happen to tell me to stop shuffling to the table exactly where we needed to have this outcome? And this is from a shuffled deck, a deck that you shuffled at the beginning. You freely shuffled it. And all I did was I just chose 2 prediction cards without actually changing the order of any of the cards from when you had shuffled it. And then I did this Klondike Shuffle to the table. And I said, well, you tell me when you feel like you want to stop. And I stopped exactly where you told me. And then from there, we just did left, right. You know, because we had 2 prediction cards. I thought, well, why don't we deal out 2 piles? How in the world did it lead to this situation here? How cool is that? Do you think you could do that again? Yeah. So anyway, that's another way to do it. So you can use the Klondike Shuffle if the cards of interest are at the top and the bottom.